A lot of people are moving from ChatGPT to Claude, whether it's because of Claude's writing quality, its coding abilities, or simply personal preference. One thing is clear: switching platforms hasn't always been smooth. But now, there's a much easier way to migrate your data, one that Claude recently introduced. Done right. The whole process takes just a minute or two. There are a few things to watch out for, though, so let's walk through exactly how to transfer your data from ChatGPT to Claude so you can switch without losing important context. Let's start at the beginning. Claude has created a dedicated page for users who are switching from another service. Inside your Claude.ai account, click your profile picture in the bottom left corner and open Settings. Under the Capabilities tab, you'll see a new option: Import memory from other AI providers. Click Start Import, and you'll get a prompt that you need to copy. This prompt is designed to extract the memories, context, and saved information that ChatGPT or another provider has about you. At first glance, it looks simple. Copy the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and run it. And sometimes that works fine, but for many users, that won't capture everything you care about. For example, in my case, the basic method only pulled 5 pieces of information. The goal, of course, is to bring over as much useful context as possible. Here's what I recommend before running the prompt in ChatGPT. First, click your profile picture and go to Personalization. Make sure all memory-related settings are turned on. Reference saved memories, reference browser memories. Reference chat history next. Switch modality in the model picker. Move from auto to thinking mode. Now paste the Claude prompt and run it. In my testing, the thinking model does a noticeably better job retrieving information because it spends more cycles searching through your account history. You'll often see more details pulled in, including items from older conversations. Once the results appear, you're ready to complete the transfer. Copy the full code block that contains your extracted information, then go back to Claude, paste it into the import window, and click Add to Memory. That's it. Claude will automatically format and organize the imported data into its memory system. In fact, many people find Claude's memory view cleaner and easier to manage. It even refreshes nightly based on your new conversations. Before you finish, it's smart to quickly review the imported memories. If anything looks incorrect, you can edit it using the pencil icon. This step is optional but recommended. Now, a quick note for project users: if you use projects in ChatGPT where chats, files, and instructions live inside a container, the process is slightly different. Run the same extraction prompt inside a project context, again using the thinking model. You'll usually see much more detailed output. Then in Claude, create a new project, name it something like work context, paste the extracted information into the project memory and project instructions. After Claude's next memory refresh cycle, usually within about 12 hours, your project level context will be fully integrated. And that's the whole migration process. If you have questions or additional tips for moving from ChatGPT to Claude, feel free to share them below. And if you found this helpful, consider subscribing. I post tutorials and AI updates every week. See you in the next one.